Welcome to another video. The unboxing of today is the original DS, which came out in 2004, and it's a second hand, but still I need it because for a collection. So I saw on eBay, and so the person he has completely boxed everything, so I say, alright, that's a bad thing to buy. So I ordered this from the UK, and it cost me £30 and extra £10 a post to Ireland. So just start the unboxing. Search everywhere to buy the refurbished one, but nowadays it's very difficult to find the refurbished one. So I think this is one of the best option because it has a box. So I think that's the nice thing. So you can see, good package, and that's the box. So I think last time I did the unboxing of the DSi XL, the Mario edition, and this time is the original DS, not I. And even like back in 2012 I got a refurbished one from AliExpress, which cost me on that time €60. Still I have it, but not in good condition. So that's the box, and you can see, yep, still in best condition. So just open it. So inside he put as well. This means he did very good package, because I ordered lots of things online, but I think this is one of the best package that I've seen. It cost me £10 for the package, but still, yeah, I think it's worth it. Great package. So yeah, so this is a silver color. I tried to find the black one, but there wasn't, and there was some like a DS, but so it means like this, no charger. That's a bad luck. Alright, I think I will definitely buy online the charger that you can see. So that's inside, so no charger. Still okay, I will buy online. So even I didn't ask for the charger. I should ask before buy, but you know, it happened online. If you buy stuff, always something missing. So that's the notebook. Not notebook, is a manual. Oh, booklet. And the one I bought back in 2012, that's the refurbished one, and even that happened, it's not working. So still like, so that's why I was looking for the original DSi, or for the original DS, and you can see that's the 3DS, sorry, DSi XL, not 3DS. Now you can see the difference, and even like, so this is, it means like this is around 2004, so it's 14 years old, and this is the 8 year. That's the difference in both time. And this one is still the motherboard is working, but I need a housing and probably touch screen and the screen as well for repair. So just try some games. So I tried to connect the game Mario Kart. So probably it will work. I think it's connect now. They're downloading, so you can see the box as well. That's Mario. And there's the original DSA box. I'll put this on the side. Side by side. So yeah, it's great. It's good, very good for collection. So that's definitely. And that's the working mode. And you can see the brightness. How good is the DSi XL is. I can do on one hand, so, and the stylus, even smaller than screen. So I think that's it for today. I just showed the unboxing, how the original did look like, and that's the great thing. Like, I got this one so for my collection, because nowadays I'm looking for a collection to collect stuff. So yep, I hope you liked the video, so please like, subscribe, share and comment as well. So I'll see you in the next video.